After 2 weeks using this, honest review, I love it. It got a good bass. It sounds amazing. Charging case comes in different colors. You can see how it's charging. It tells you which one, right and left, how much power they have. It's a beautiful color quality, lightweight. It fits in your ears all the way in. Very comfortable. It hooks on your ears so it does not fall out. I did running with this. I was jogging a lot. I work out with this. I have no problem. Nothing fell off or bother me. It's easy to pair. It's easy to connect, but I love the sound. I was very impressed with the sound. It comes with extra attachment for the ears, and then it comes with a charger. I'm telling you, honest review, I am impressed. If you're a good, cheap, budget earpods right here. Sound is impressive. I was very surprised. I mean, I have a lot of higher brand of headphones, and this sounds better than some of them. I know you guys will think I'm crazy, but I'm not crazy. I'm telling you, honest review. It does pack a punch. This one does sounds good. The bass, it clear. You could talk. I mean, it's everything what you need. It's wireless. It was built for sports. If you're an athletic person or you're traveling a lot or you're always on the on the go, this I would highly recommend this. And what I love about it, it tells you if it needs charging. It tells you everything right there. If it's gonna die or it's charging, when to plug it in or anything like that. It takes about within an hour to fully charge this, and it lasts for 30 something hours. How can you go wrong